This that thing, low top sneaker, no socks, coming through, dirty side boy, get that money, reach in the back seat, grab the cup full of lean forward with the high top fade, maybe a fro, maybe the braid, maybe the twisty, them boys, pimp tight.
This that bounce, this that get 'em, this that ooh, they gon' kill 'em, these them bars, can't fuck with 'em, these them bars, can't fuck with 'em, this that bounce, this that get 'em, this that ooh, they gon' kill 'em, these them bars, can't fuck with 'em, these them bars, can't fuck with 'em, these them bars, these them bars, these them bars, these them bars, yeah, they them bars.
Backpack or a knapsack in a hatchback, chasing a little bit of breadwinner. On the grind, never wasting my time. Telling little mama, can I get a little bit of head, nigga? Can I get a little? Can I get a little? Can I get a little? Shout it looking thicker than some peanut butter. I'ma hit her with the OG line like little mama gon' come and kick it with a real nigga. Hey, with the suit vibe, looking too fly. Fresher than the peppermint, fly than they ever been. Shawty said she never been. What? With a booty that big like an elephant, Every other nigga is irrelevant, If you give it to me, I ain't telling it, Telling every nigga that she celibate, Telling rich niggas that she selling it, If I pull up in the lag with the doors up, everybody looking at me done froze up. Got me feeling like an old school player with my toes out, pulling down my pants like, girl, it feel good, don't it? Really, really good, don't it? We about to do it on them. We about to kill a sucker, you don't want
This
it.
that bounce, this that get 'em, this that ooh, they gon' kill 'em, these them bars, can't fuck with 'em, these them bars, can't fuck with 'em, this that bounce, this that get 'em, this